What am I supposed to do? Cinnamon.
Maybe I won't use a knife. If your first thought... If your first thought when you see a festive spread is how many grams of fat is that, you've officially traded your brain cells for a macro split. It's the festive period. Stop worrying about your nutrition for 5 minutes and let's enjoy your life. Because literally anything is better than spending Christmas Day being a boring prick that won't eat a carb.
We need 100 grams of margarine.
100 grams? Or like, you know how to use a scale, Morty, no, that's your profession.
But knives are your profession. That's just how I found you. Just go all dirty. Doesn't need to be pretty. I mean, I'd be happy if everything actually stays in bowl. I don't know if that's a requirement you're gonna fit.
It's gonna be messy.
I feel like still half of the sacred pepper is somewhere on the floor. Alongside my pumpkin cream. Wow. Disappointing. Okay.
That's coming in.
It's gonna take forever. It's okay. No, you're gonna, because there's still gonna be some kind of leftovers on the side. It's also gonna be daddy. Oh. Oops. It's gonna be 100 grams of butter. Do you have the knife? So I can scrape it out. Oh no, I'll just do it like this. Daddy. It's very sugar daddy. That's gonna take forever. Okay, 75. So I pour it from this side so you can see daddy.
Yeah. Daddy needs to be on the shot.
Daddy needs to be on the shot. We need some orange peel. I'm not feeling on that. We add 150 grams of skyr. Okay. Five years later. We did it. Look at a spoon. You come back in time. Wow. I'm like one of these gym girls that measure every single goddamn gram of their carb intake. Raisins. So with raisins, I go slow. So I'd rather go for 100 instead of 150, or even less. So 700. Oh, start with 75 maybe, and then we'll see where it goes. Stick together as well. 50 grams of almonds.
Raisins everywhere.
Hmm?
Raisins everywhere.
You can also just start with 40 and then we'll see where we go. Close. Now the fun part, which is a bit of rum. Not too much. Then let's see. Baby, baby, one more time. Test.
Just.
I want more orange.
Mm-hmm.
I'm And I think also a bit more cinnamon.
You actually gonna do it with your heart this time?
Gotcha, with my heart, with all my heart. That was so romantic.
It's good.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Are you sure? Your eyes don't seem sure.
It's been a while that I made them, but I think the orange is gonna come out more orangey than we think. Okay, so now we're gonna put them on the thing here. So we can actually remove the KitchenAid. No waste in this household. This is a dirty bulk now. I mean, to be fair, it's been a dirty bulk ever since you're here.
What are you doing?
I was looking over the top. You're really fisting that.
I always do.
I know.
What did I miss last night? Alright, so now just, grab a piece of whatever. So it's somewhat walnut sized. Roll that in your hands. A tiny little ball, like yours. Into somewhat of a stollen. By the way, if your hands are too sticky, like mine, just hold them at a cold water probably. But they should be somehow more lengthy. Like these.
I don't really know what a stollen is.
It's a carby sausage.
A what?
Let's call it a carby sausage.
A carby sausage.
That's at least the form it has. But don't call it that. Can't even try bulldog knife. They call it sausage! Also, let them keep a bit of a distance because it's baking powder in there. And make sure you always get some raisins, some nuts, some whatever.
Basically a grandma.
I'm a grandma.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm younger than you. What does that make you? Great granddad?
Don't know what you're on about.
Daddy. Great granddaddy. What is that? Why does it have like antlers or whatever that is supposed to be?
Festive.
Festive. Oh, smart.
Yeah.
Looks like a baby turd. Turd. Wow. That is one huge ass thingy. I'm sorry, this does not happen in this household. We are all for equality. That means no one can be bigger than the other person. We're just wanting to stay small.
So you can stay bigger.
Yeah. So I can also stay small. That's a lot of raisins. Right there. Looks like there are some carrots in there. Always have to sneak some veggies in there. Goddamn nutritionists.
Yeah.
Making everything not fun. Okay, there's a lot of raisins down here. I think we need to make
This
sure
is like
that
zero nutrition.
it has raisins.
It has
That's
raisins.
fruit.
It has fruit.
It has some kind of orange, so some nuts for healthy fats.
Yeah.
Why are your fingers so much nearer than mine? Fucking knack.
Yeah. So
What are you doing? These are Whoppers! They're not on a bug. I'm on a bug. Get that back in there. That's what she said. Making yours so big.
No, they're the same.
They're huge.
Okay. Small.
Small.
Schmal. Schmal.
No, you're ready. Chill. Stop screaming at me. Yeah. Bigger ones. Go back where you belong. Baking sheet or baking parchment? These in the oven. Give me that wood.
One big one.
One big one.
Do it.
You know I would. Look at seen a walnut. Should I get a walnut for reference?
Walnuts are quite big.
Don't take the biggest one now. Yeah, but see, they are my size. Look at that whopper. See?
That is a walnut size.
Wow. Which one?
This one.
Are you kidding me? This one? Depends on the walnut. 1 second. Fuck it.
Weak. He's a fitness coach.
Is I weak?
Your traps are looking good though. Your traps though. Right, this one.
That one was really weak. Are you doing it on purpose?
That was like a normal size one.
You have some dough there.
I thought you were going for a kiss.
Fuck no, I was just going for the goodies. Cookie dough. Now that we have like 5 left to make. Sausage. Let them just rest for like a day before you eat them, but
Rest,
babies. Rest day.
This one looks like it's got some kind of disease going on.
Oh, you better actually wrap it in a dough because otherwise it'll just fall out.
I'm going to wrap it in dough and you're going to tell me off because it's too big.
You can just remove some raisins and, you know, take a smaller. Looks like I'm a totally terrible girlfriend. You have to make it smaller. Scolding you all the time for not
It's all
doing
recorded for purposes for when I need it.
It's against
Evidence
art.
against you when you try to get rid.
When I try to get rid, why should I try to get rid?
Nothing yet. That sounds so bad.
I'm a bit worried that the knives are so close to us. I just preemptively stand in front of them so you can't go by. This entire thing is just me correcting your work. It is huge, Callum!
I would...
Correct replication of my actual reaction. That looks like Hanky the Christmas poo. I shall accept it.
But can't make this one too big.
Snack. This one is one because this one is full of raisins, so take a raisin from this one. Get that thing in. Do you think we could do like... I'm not gonna clean up the mess though.
Are you doing me or are you doing you?
Oh, you.
Okay.
You ready?
I think it's too big to go in my mouth.
It's pretty hard. Maybe I should try.
I went half in, it went half in. Right.
Okay, you cleaning up the floor. Okay. Almost. 1 second.
Okay. Is that one more?
Wow.
Do you want it?
Not a penguin. I just almost peed myself. Now I just need to put them on this. No, they're slightly dried. You put that's, yeah, I can also just, you know, once they're slightly dried, so you can start with those, because otherwise it's gonna look ugly. So I was kind of, you know, and then you can already actually put them in the box. Oh, it doesn't need to be that thick. That's what she said. Just kind of, you know, slight powdering, like this.
Okay, you're really not good at this. No, give it back. You can do the taste test in a bit.
Sugar tastes good though.
No, that's an ugly shot. Wasn't dry enough. Like a hissing cat. Wait a second. Prost.
Prost.
So?
Really good.
Why do you look so surprised?
Yeah, it's really good.
They got better if you let them just rest for a day.
Good.
Take an ugly one. There was one super duper mega ugly one.
This is a bit ugly as this one.
Yeah, there was one that was completely naked and exposed. Yeah.
That slaps.
Yeah. And the orange is the right amount.